Hi everyone, I'm Suyuk from Online Help Guide, and in this video I will show you how to change language on Tonkeeper. Adjusting the language settings make the app more accessible and easier to navigate in your preferred language. So let's get started on how to change language on Tonkeeper. To change Tonkeeper language, you have to change your mobile phone's language. So first open the settings app. In the search bar at the top, type language and hit the search button. From the search list, tap on the language and region option. Next, tap on the add language option. A list of available languages will appear. Scroll through the list and select the language you want to switch to. Finally, tap on the Use option to apply the new language. Your phone's language as well as the language in Tonkeeper will now be changed to your selected option. And this is how you can change language on Tonkeeper. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.